Hey, what's up guys? Bibo here, Tech, and finally, Honor is back in the Philippines with a big surprise. And they've released not just one, but 4 new smartphones with their flagship model, the Honor Magic4 PRO. Now, we've been playing around with this device for the past couple of days, so we can give you our first impression about it. When you unbox the Magic4 PRO, you'll be greeted with a phone that looks like the Mate 40 Pro. Wait, what? Well, sort of. Well, the Honor Magic4 PRO is somewhat patterned after the Huawei Mate 40 Pro, with almost identical design and hardware specifications. Only this time, the Magic4 Pro has GMS instead of the HMS. That means you get the usual Gmail, YouTube, Chrome, and all the millions of apps in the Google Play Store. Remember back in November 2020, Shenzhen Shixin acquired all assets related to the Honor brand from Huawei. This protected Honor from the US ban against Huawei, which allowed Honor devices to continue to run on GMS and other related services. Anyway, this is the reason why we are very excited about the Honor Magic4 Pro. It's got everything you want in a proper flagship smartphone. Well, you get an all-glass body with a thermal glass bending technique that forms part of the 6.81-inch display, with a quad-curved screen, giving it a fluid and streamlined shape with smooth curves that fits in your hand almost perfectly. The screen is made of LTPO OLED with a high-resolution display, with a 120Hz adaptive refresh rate, but there's also an under-display fingerprint sensor. And the phone can also do 3D Face ID, which is more secure. The Magic4 Pro is powered by a Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chipset with Adreno 730 GPU. Our unit has 8GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage. But there's also a 12GB variant with a 512GB storage. Unfortunately, there's no expandable storage here. But the initial Geekbench 5 benchmark showed good results as expected for a Snapdragon 8 powered device. This phone is obviously a camera-centric smartphone with all the powerful set of sensors at the back. The camera module comes with this circular design that Honor calls the Eye of Muse. The main camera is a 50-megapixel sensor. The second is also a 50-megapixel sensor for the ultra-wide and macro lens. And the third is a 64-megapixel sensor with a 3.5 times optical zoom and a 100 times digital zoom. While the fourth camera is a 3D depth laser sensor. It also can record up to 4K at 60 FPS with electronic image stabilization. Unfortunately, there's no 8K capability, but it has the 8-bit video capability. While the front camera is a 12-megapixel sensor with 4K video recording. In addition, it is paired with a 3D depth camera for that facial recognition. Well, check out some of our initial sample shots. For the most part, they are impressive, but we'll dig deeper into them once we go into our full review. Now, as for connectivity, we got everything on board. From a dual Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, tri-band GPS, NFC, and the rarely seen infrared port IR blaster for using as a remote control. It's actually one of the nifty features we look forward to having on any smartphone we use. One of the things we've most impressed with is the battery tech on the Magic4 Pro. Aside from the 100 watts of wired charging, it can also do 100 watts of wireless charging. Pretty impressive. Yep, that doubles the 50 watts wireless charging of the Xiaomi 12S Ultra. That means 0 to 50% charge in just 15 minutes. And that's just for wireless. The 4600 mAh battery is just about right. But we'll certainly run through our suites of benchmark tests to see how long it lasts. But in the last couple of days that we've been using the Honor Magic4 Pro, and we've been really impressed with its design, performance, and camera. So far, we'll have to put it through the paces and see how it performs overall in the long run. For now, with the short time we've had with this device, we can say we are impressed. Well, that's it for now for the Honor Magic4 Pro. This device will retail for $52,990 for the 8GB RAM with 256GB of storage. So, what do you think of the Honor Magic4 Pro? Do let us know in the comment section down below. And if you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to click that notification bell so you won't miss any of our future uploads. Also, follow us on Facebook, Twitter, IG, and TikTok, or visit youtech.com for more tech news and reviews. Once again, this is P-Boy, and see you in our next video.